Hello friends. If you are new to our channel, please like the video and share with your friends and families. Also subscribe the channel to get timely notifications. Let's continue. Well, nowadays I go to practice cricket every morning. Now, this is the same thing today. I had gone for net practice in the morning and there was another boy batting in the other net. Okay, I left my batting and started watching his batting because he was doing such a great batting. I found out that he practices net all day long. Because he practices so much, that's why he plays so well. Now, when his net practice was over, I started talking to him. He took off his gloves and put them on the floor. As soon as he took off his gloves, I saw that his gloves were torn. There are holes in the middle of the gloves. I couldn't help it. I said that after seeing your gloves, it seems that you have practiced a lot. He said that I have practiced a lot with gloves and I can see that there is a lot of poverty. As soon as he said that, he also said that don't make fun of my poverty. I got emotional at that time. Why did I say that? If his gloves were really torn, then maybe he was not able to afford it today. I shouldn't have said that. But when he said that, I felt a little hurt that you did wrong. He also said that I watch your videos and you talk about how you can earn money. So tell me the way so that I can start earning extra money from today. I play cricket all day long and I don't have any other source. So I genuinely felt that I should tell him something so that he can start earning immediately. And it's not just about that boy. There are many other people who have very small needs. What is the need of that boy today? His gloves are torn today. Maybe there are some other needs that he is not telling me. And you think how much money do you need for small needs? You will get help in 5 to 10,000 rupees. If you help someone with 5 to 10,000 rupees, then he will get help once. But if you teach him to earn, then he will get help for a lifetime. So I genuinely felt that as a friend, as a brother, I should tell him something so that he can start earning instantly. I told him about 3 such platforms that I am going to tell you today. And I will guide you as a friend so that you can start earning instantly. This is my promise. Now let's start. I told him the first platform, Angel One. If you go to Angel One and open your Daemod account for free, you will get the link in the description box. So you can earn around 750 rupees per referral through Refer and Earn. These offers keep changing. Sometimes you get 1000 rupees, sometimes 1200 rupees, sometimes less. So if you see any platform where you can earn money by affiliating, you can earn money by Refer and Earn. These offers keep changing. But the offer that is going on now, I told you that maybe this price will increase or decrease at your time. So you can check it. According to now, I am giving you this data. According to today. So here if anyone opens his account on Angel One and recommends 5 people for example, then he will earn 3,750 rupees. Here, see his gloves need is fulfilled. I told him that you stay in the ground all day. You meet a lot of people. If you tell 5 people to go to Angel One and open their Daemod account for free. And here you can invest in the stock market, you can trade, you can start your SIP. In the long term, SIP is very beneficial. So today you don't have a lot of money. But many people will have some extra earnings, they want to invest. So you can earn some money by helping people. This is the first way I told him. The second way I told him that there is a platform called Bromo. Suresh, if you remove the job of an accountant, then you have taken the job of a driver. It's mine, sir. There is something called smart work. Means register yourself on Bromo and become a partner. More than 100 financial products are listed. Sell this product to your acquaintances and earn lakhs. You will get a lot of financial products by going to Bromo. Now you have a lot of people. I am talking about only 5 people. By going to Bromo, you will see a lot of credit cards, personal loans, insurance. So these are the basic things. People need insurance. People need personal loans. Someone wants to get a credit card. You have told about the lifetime free credit card, which has no joining fees, no annual fees. And you recommended that credit card to the other person, sent your link. You got 2000 rupees for example, on an average of 1 card. And if you recommend it to 5 people, then you can earn extra 10,000 rupees. So immediate need can also be fulfilled. And if you see, when will that boy start earning? He will start earning when he gets selected somewhere. In India, many people play cricket very well, but not everyone gets selected. So until the selection is not happening, he needs some extra earning source. From here, some extra earning will keep happening. You will meet people, you will have to do something. It is not that I do nothing and money starts dripping. It does not happen like that. You have to make some effort. You are doing publicity for the company. You are doing advertisement, so you get money. Along with this, I told him the third platform, Upstocks. I said, you must be watching IPL every day. You are doing promotion and advertisement in IPL by pressing Upstocks. If you do the same advertisement, you have opened your Daymod account on Upstocks for free. There are no lifetime charges here, no annual charges. If your account is open, after that you recommend someone. Then the offer that is going on today. You are getting an account opening of about 500 rupees. So you are getting 300 rupees for account opening and you get 200 rupees when someone invests or trades. So for example, you get a referral of 500 rupees. And if you recommend 5 people here, then 2,500 rupees came from here too. These are 3 simple platforms that are in today's trade without any investment. It did not take you a rupee to join all 3 platforms. The second thing is that you recommended and you got the money. It is simple and the platforms that I am taking the name of are reliable. You already know these platforms. The only thing is that you did not know that it can be an external. Now if someone has seen any ad in TV of Upstocks or Angel One. Why? Because everyone deserves transparency. And then if you open the account, you will not get a rupee. But if you advertise for the company, then the company is giving you the money for the advertisement. Now here I told that person about a platform to earn 15-20,000 rupees a month. That from here, you can earn 15-20,000. If someone says that I have a big circle, I have more people. I have so many contacts in my phone book that if I start telling them, I can earn more money. So definitely you can earn more. I am not talking about lakhs and crores here. I am talking about simply 15-20,000 rupees. So I told you 3 platforms with which your extra earning can start immediately. Now you will say that you can also tell that you can make your YouTube channel, you can sell ebooks. See, telling any business that will take a little time. Today if I say to make a YouTube channel, it will take time. Today there will be no earning. If someone wants money in a week or 10 days, then immediate earning will not start. If I tell any other business, it will take time and he will leave his work. He is now fully focused on cricket. If he leaves cricket, then he will go and do other work. So here there is no such thing for which he needs to sacrifice. Whatever he is doing, he can earn something extra. That's why I gave you exactly like I gave friendly advice to that friend. I will give you the same friendly advice here that you can do extra earning through these 3 platforms if you wish to. Finally, if you think that your friend in your circle needs extra earning and he can earn money from these platforms, you can simply share this video on WhatsApp, Telegram or wherever you are present on social media. You can like this video to give your love. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment. I will see you in the next video.